If you've been invited to enjoy some Thai dining with your buddies or a date, you may want to educate yourself a bit on what to order. That said, we have put together our top 5 items to order from a Thai restaurant. Number 1. Pad Thai. Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish commonly served as a street food and at most restaurants in Thailand as part of the country's cuisine. This dish is sour as well as sweet, giving it a unique flavor and taste. Number 2. Massaman Curry. There are many curries that you can try in a Thai restaurant, such as red curry and green curry, depending on your palate. But Massaman Curry is one of the richest in flavor and combines spices from India and Malaysia. This hybrid dish typically will not be spicy to the point of pain, but has a sweet and savory flavor. Number 3. Papaya Salad. Thai green papaya salad, which in Thailand is known as som tam, is one of the most commonly available and most popularly consumed dishes in all of Thailand, being found on almost every street corner. If you want to play it safe, this dish will not disappoint. Just be careful, as sometimes this can be spicy. Number 4. Pad See Ew. Thai pad see ew is one of those iconic dishes that has migrated from street food stalls to Thai restaurants and takeouts all over the Western world. The words pad see ew literally mean stir-fried. Pad, dark soy sauce. See ew. This is a dish that is not spicy but very flavorful and will be a favorite. Number 5. Thai tea. Thai tea is a drink you must try if you have not already. Normally, if you are in a real Thai restaurant, it will be made from mixing Ceylon tea with sweetened condensed milk. This tea can be served hot or iced and is definitely on every Thai menu. What's your favorite Thai dish? If you feel like we missed one, comment below.